Hey, are you okay? What's
I
wrong?
don't know. My leg hurts.
Do, do you need me to take you to a hospital or something?
I, I don't think it's that serious. I don't know.
Oh, it's probably cramping up.
Yeah, I think so. I was just jogging and it happened.
Sorry. Just take it easy. Wear off. Just give it time. Do you
Okay.
live far from here?
A bit.
Okay, can you manage to get to that junction so I can maybe call you a cab?
Sure.
Yeah? Okay, just let's just go. Let me grab this for you. Just take it easy, alright? Just try and put your weight on it. It'll wear off.
Oh no, it's hurting.
I know. Just can you know what? Just easy. 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 There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Easy. Just up ahead. Okay? There's a leak. Easy. You'll be fine. It's just cramps, alright? It's nothing serious.
Samson. Boo boo.
Hey, Mama.
Sunbeam, how are you doing?
Your boy is just hanging in there.
What happened?
Mama, I'm broke.
Samson. Huh? You and money. You only call me when you are low on cash, Samson.
It's not like that.
That's not the way to show the woman that you say you love, care.
Okay, okay. I will make it up to you tonight or tomorrow.
You're not even sure when you're coming, Samson. It's been a long time I came. I mean, you know what I mean. And you know it's been a long time that you fouled me. So if you come in this time, come with your A game. Yeah.
Deal?
Okay. Oh my goodness. Austin, you want to see me? Oh, not tomorrow, Austin. I'll be available by the weekend. You miss me. You want to show me your boo-boo. I know. I love your black boo. Okay, weekend, all right? Okay. Oh, this voice will not kill me in between these sheets. Sting Samson. Oh, the consignment. You mean in between the sheets? I mean the sheets that. Alright, I will talk to you later. Yeah, well, yeah. It's always nice doing business with you, yes. Later. What are you?
Now, what was that? Who were you talking to on the phone?
A business partner, Laura.
Business partner, my foot. Forget that. One of your sugar boys.
Laura, excuse me.
Excuse you too? What?
I'm talking about a consignment with my business partner. One of my
I know. Consignment with your sugar boy.
Sorry.
Do you want to confess?
Well,
Shame on you.
no, it's just that. Well, I do business with you.
Shame!
What can I pretend with you? Come on!
Gracie, you better stop this.
Stop what?
All right then, talking about business.
Yes.
How about your business venture?
Oh, it's going well.
I'm glad.
But it's taken a whole lot of work.
I know.
Laura, I want to say thank you. I really appreciate, that I have a supportive friend like you.
Oh, merci beaucoup. Hey, but you should know that I will always be there for you. What you don't know is that you've been an inspiration to me and so many others.
Oh, you're gonna make me blush.
Ah,
I'm blushing.
And I'm blushing. I'm blushing with you.
Oh, stop that. And by the way, I love this.
Oh, really? Freshly squeezed.
I love them fresh. I love the juice. Just the way I like it. Juicy. And I love it juicy and creamy. Oh.
You are still with me. Oh, please. Maybe I should get my pastor to deliver you.
Excuse me.
Excuse you?
Hi, Daniel. Listen, I've got several calls, and I am not happy with the calls I've been getting. I would not want anyone to mess up with my goods. You know that. I'm an astute businesswoman, so I do not want to hear anything about losses or damages. Am I understood? Good. Right. Chica, listen, what's going on in the studio? I'm recording tomorrow. Yes. You know my show is coming on tomorrow. Get all the batteries ready, okay? Okay? Did you tell the director that this is the 7th episode? Fine. Hello? What did you say? Don't even try it. Don't even try it. Tell Austin that if he tries it, I will deal with him in this city. Do you know what? Do you know who you're talking to? The gold that I sold to you is what? If you change my goods. No, don't even go there. All right. Okay, hello. Oh my God. Oh, Samson. Come on, you've got to wake up. Wake up. You have to go. Samson, come on. Wake up, you have to go. I have an appointment. Come on, Samson. You passed that more than me, come on. Oh, stop. Yeah, I have an appointment. You want to give me one for the road? Oh. What? What are you looking at me like that? I hope you're not going to start judging me now. I'm not the one that caused the Third World War.
Oh, Gracie, now you need to stop.
I need to stop what? Stop what?
My goodness. I should curb your excesses before you turn into the most sought-after cougar in town. Oh, you better stop. Now, the young man that just left here with you, it's not a day over 18. Hey! Stop!
I'm not going to stop. Come on, Laura. Come on, stop. Okay, tell me one reason why I should stop. Huh? Just tell me one reason. You know. Oh, please, tell me. Where is it written that a lady cannot date a younger man? Huh? You know your friend. I love the young man. I love the excitement and the pecs that come along with them. Oh, the mix. Oh, they make me hot with fire.
Oh, Gracie, please.
What?
At this point, you need to stop. On a more serious note.
Laura!
What?
Just tell me. Laura, just tell me why I should stop. You know, I spent the better part of my youth pursuing business upon business, trying to make money. I want to catch up on all the fun that I missed. Come on, all the guys. Come on. You know when the guys were chasing me, I was like, no, I want to do business. But you see now, any young boy that catches my fancy, he will.
Now I feel like giving you a punch. Now you better stop it.
I'm not.
I will hit you.
Uh-huh.
You will stop it.
No!
You will stop it. I I said you... All right, why don't you look for one of them? Get married to him. Then there's countless in and out of birds in this house.
Laura,
It's
Laura.
not worth it.
Laura, come on now. You know, on a serious note, I've tried this marriage thing 2 times and I failed woefully at
Maybe this one won't fail.
Well, I don't know about that. All I know is that I'm gonna have fun. I'm gonna enjoy myself because this young man, oh my God.
Now, what are you feeling like? Come on now, stop it. You're not a young lady. You are an old woman. Hey, yeah!
Who's old? No!
Both of us are old.
No, no, that's
old
you. If you're old, just not as
Oh, you are.
No, I'm not! Laura, I'm not even up to 60. Listen, I rock better than all the young girls. You know what? If you were a guy, what I would do to
What do you for do?
You know how it is, baby. I will give it to them. If you were a man, I would finish you. I would do it.
Something to drink.
Let's go upstairs. You know that my container with a new gold. Come, let me show you. Come. Let me show
That's
you.
what I want to hear. Not
Hey, my angel.
Hey, Mama. I miss you so much, Mommy. How's my godmother?
Well, your godmother has been keeping me company. I hope you told her that you'll be returning next week.
No, I didn't. I actually want it to be a surprise.
I hope she will be pleasantly surprised when you return unannounced.
I hope so too. I can't wait to see the look on her face.
Believe me, she'll be thrilled to see you.
Definitely.
Okay, sweetheart. I've got a call from the hospital, okay? It's an emergency. I'll speak to you later.
Okay, Mom. Bye. Take care.
Hello, nurse. I'll be there right away.
Girlfriend, what is this? What's all of this? What are you doing? Don't be hard on yourself. Come on. Listen, it's not your fault that you lost him. You did all you could. It's okay.
Gracie, you will not understand. I mean, I had a strong bond with the deceased.
You lost your husband. The man that meant the whole world to you. And you didn't collapse. You didn't die. Now look at you over a common patient. Sorry, I used the word common. But you can't go on being like this.
That's the point. Sometimes I feel it's me against the world.
Laura. I'm here for you. I'm always here for you. Don't just take it easy. Is that fine? You're gonna stop. It's okay. By the way, Is that the wig that I said that I wanted?
That's not the wig. Stop! Hello, Gracie.
I'm not doing well.
What is it?
The worst had happened. The worst had happened.
What happened?
My warehouse was looted.
What?
All the goods worth over 100 million.
My goodness.
Looted.
I'm so sorry.
Stolen. I feel like ending it all.
What are you talking about? You can end it. Listen, I'm coming. I'm coming right away. Okay? Just hold on for me. I'm coming. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Gracie. Oh my darling.
My warehouse.
I heard it. It's
100 million. How can I lose 100 million? I don't know how they broke into my warehouse. How could I lose 100 million, Laura? How? I work so hard.
Yes.
I labor for my money and now this. I don't know how could I lose this.
It's okay. Gracie, please, I need you to calm down.
Okay.
Hey, my happiness is that you know that you are hardworking. You are a strong woman. I'm glad you know that. Now believe me when I tell you this, you will recover this money 10 times.
Okay.
I promise you. It's okay. Hey, don't cry.
Okay.
Gracie, how many times will I tell you that crying doesn't fit you? It's only when you smile. When you smile, you look like an angel. Give me that smile. No, you're still crying. I need calm down. I promise you will recover. It's a promise. We're in this together, right? Oh, sweetheart. All right, come. You want me to carry you? Come. I will carry you. Come. Gracie. It's all right, Gracie. Yes, it's been a hectic week for Gracie and I. We've been in this tumblers together. Though we've been comforting each other.
Oh my goodness. The loss is much.
You can imagine someone losing 100 million naira worth of goods. It's much.
I feel so sad for Auntie Grace.
I want you to call her. Please, just comfort her.
I can't call her, Mom. It will ruin my surprise. She'll ask me when I'm coming back, and I don't want to lie to her.
All right then, but just make it up to her in a very big way.
Sure, Mommy. Take care.
Take care. You know, you are so funny. What did you say? Every time you are just so... Listen, if you dare to keep me waiting, I'm going to cut off what makes you mad. Do you understand me? Don't even joke with me. Yeah, good afternoon. Just a minute, please. Did you hear what I said? Listen, I'll be waiting for you. Do you understand me? Okay?
Yes, sorry, you were saying?
Yes, so sorry to bother you. It's just that I'm a huge fan of your show, the business one about entrepreneurship.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate it. You know, it's my way of contributing to the society. We need to teach people that they need to understand multiple streams of income.
I agree. I agree. You're doing such a great job, man. It's just so good to see you in person. And
Thank you.
if I might add, if I'm not being too forward, you look way better in person than on TV.
Oh, thank you so much. You're making me blush. You know, I like it and I appreciate when a man knows how to, pay a woman a compliment. Thank you so much. So, what's your name?
Oh, Jace.
All right, Grace.
Of course, I know who you are, man.
All right.
Is it okay if I give you a call sometime, maybe get some business advice?
Oh, okay, fine. All right. Just a minute. All right. Yes. Let me see. Oh, yeah, that is it. You can give me a call some other time, all right?
I definitely will.
All right. So you take care.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye. You too.
Hey, mobile phone. Right there. How do you go? Omo, you won't believe who I met today. Who be that? Guy, this one is small. Grace Benson. That woman that has that popular business show on TV, that entrepreneur show. Just randomly bumped into her. She even got her card. Are you for real? Yeah, this world is a small place. Anything can happen to you anywhere.
Wait, you met her and she gave you a card?
Yes.
She stopped and spoke. How did it happen?
I just saw her and then I spoke to her. I was thinking she was even going to be saucy, but she was really nice and I asked for her number and she gave me her card.
Can you say that woman a big shot?
Everybody knows her now. She's very popular.
Man, she dey like young boys, so.
You don't come again. Which one be say she dey like young boys? How you take me?
My ear dey grand now. You dey ask me. That woman, for her to stop, follow you talk, she gave you a card by herself, Abi. That means she likes you.
What you dey talk now, Ibuka? Which one be say because you spoke, she likes me?
That woman is a snob. She know the follow person talk. So for her to talk to you shows that she's interested in you. Do you get? But when you go follow am talk, you go call am.
Well, I intend on calling her, but the plan was to call her and then see maybe she could, help me with work or something. This is a business tycoon now.
Which work you want? Listen, mate, with that woman, if you become that woman's boy toy, you will not need to lift a finger again in your life. Do you understand? So you go dey try make you position yourself for that level.
Which one be boy toy? So we hold on. Let's track back. The person we are talking about is not our mate. So you're talking.
She's not that old now.
You're talking sugar mommy level, guy. That's not my P.
That woman's still young and she's still fine. No, she's not that old. What do they talk? Young boys like you, they marry 75 years old woman abroad, and they talk about that very young woman.
Guy, that's not my P. Even if I'm calling her toy, it has to be because of work or business or something. Which one be sugar mommy?
See, make I tell you, no go try am. Do you understand? Even if you won't use work format, enter am. No say the interest is to get into her pants. That's the only way to get the money. I'm telling you.
Bro, I'm not sure about this. So I'm not sure about this.
I beg. Now this opportunity, guys, they find. I beg. You have to be sure of this. Guy, call her.
You don't do now. I don't need to put pressure for my body. I could call him.
It's your opportunity.
Oh. How do I describe this guy? How do I describe this guy to you? First and foremost, his color. He's like this, orange juice. Oh, much like your color. And he's got the kind of lips I like. Very succulent lips, just like mine. Can't wait to put my mouth in his lips. Oh, and see his skin. And he's got muscles. Oh, I can't wait to have him hold me and see his eyes. Oh, my goodness. Laura. Oh, visit this guy. I just can't wait. I don't even know. I'm just thinking maybe it's better I look at him while he's on top of me. I like to look into his eyes and drink from the sweetness of his passion. Hold on. Hold on, who's calling me?
Hi, Grace. Yes, it's Jace Okorocha.
Hi. Hi, JC.
How are you?
I'm cool. And you?
I'm doing okay. Listen, I wanted to know if you would like to do something this weekend, maybe hang out or grab drinks or something.
That'll be fine. That'll be fine, JC.
Okay, say 4 p.m. on Saturday.
I will be there.
Okay, great. I will text you the address.
Okay.
All right, I will see you then.
Okay, bye.
All right, bye.
Ciao.
Bad guy. Now where they go see you? Bad guy.
He calls! He wants to take me out on Saturday. What am I going to wear? I've got to wear something that will bring him my... I'm going to make him eat me out. Somehow make me look... I'm not going to wear none of this kind of stuff. And I'm going to wear that new perfume. That perfume that makes someone feel like, oh my goodness. And when I see him, I'm going to just... Hi, JC.
Now guess what I want you to wear?
What?
Pants and bra.
I'll do that in the room.
I can't wait!
Well, first of all, I'd like to apologize for bringing you to such a place. I know that is way below your standard. It's just that it turns out to be what I can afford right now.
It's your presence that matters.
I appreciate that.
Welcome. So tell me about yourself.
Well, I mean, with me, what you see is what you get. It's really not much. I am just a young boy who's trying to survive, hustling and basically trying to make ends meet. So I'm curious to know why you decided to go into the whole business mentorship thing. It's one thing to be a businesswoman, but wanting to, educate people and teach them on how to be successful. I'm curious to know why you decided to delve into that.
Well, the Holy Book says, money answereth all things. And I also realized over time that a lot of people are not financially intelligent. And people think they can be rich or become rich working for someone. No one ever becomes rich working for anyone. The only way you can become rich is to be an employer of labor. And that also basically means, having multiple streams of income. Let me break it down this way. You see, multiple streams of income doesn't mean, okay, you'll be, jack of all trades. But then, in a way, it means being jack of all trades. But whatever you need to involve yourself in, they must be intertwined. Which means, for instance, if you are a structural engineer, you would have to do business that is related to building. So which means being a structural engineer, you can also sell cement and also sell tiles. So that if you get a client and they want you to, design their house and help them to build the house, you can also pinpoint them to your cement store.
And they can buy
They can buy from you. So that way you're making money from being the engineer and being, making money from being the businessman that owns the cement store and maybe also the tiles. So that way you can have money coming from here and there. So, and then it also means making money while you are sleeping, having money work for you. Am I communicating?
That is just wisdom right there. Because like you said all of that in the space of seconds, but I feel like I've learned so much.
Thank you.
Wow, that is great.
And then, so what do you do?
Well,
it was so nice. So very nice of you taking me out. I had a good time.
It's fine, Grace. Look, I just really wanted to spend some time with you.
I appreciate. Thank you so much. It was so nice.
Look, I don't know if this is a bit too forward of me, but I was wondering if maybe we could be friends.
Oh, sure, JC. I think we have a lot in common. You are fierce, feisty, and you have the ability to go for what you want.
Well, that sounds good. I'm looking forward to a great friendship, and I'm looking forward to get to know you.
I'm looking forward to that too. JC, I think this is the start of a beautiful friendship.
I couldn't agree more. So, when do you think that I can see you again?
You want to see me again? Oh, I'd like to see you again too. Could we plan something for this weekend? My place, my treat. What do you say?
That sounds good. Sounds very good. I'm looking forward to it. I will call you later this week.
Okay. I'll be looking forward to that. I'll be waiting. Okay, bye, JC.
All right. Bye.
Bye. Oh, this black color guy. Oh, I love his eyes. I love his lips. And he wants to see me again.
Love is beautiful.
He wants to see me again. Grace.
That's my boy. You don't get it now. So why was it that now when I did for call you can't do work at the call?
As you see, we're supposed to put that for loudspeaker now.
Which kind dead loudspeaker? So something called a private conversation.
Now show me that WhatsApp message.
Which did WhatsApp message?
Show me now.
Guys, shift now. You did too close. Hit the do me.
But now you don't act well. You see now your head don't they there. Eh? You good. You see that woman kill and tight boss. But wait. So we could plan this Sunday walk well. You get?
Guy, until then, free me now. You they choke me.
Besides they choke you, you go carry gift go there. You go carry something, anything at all. Make you not
say. Where get money they buy gift.
It's a timeless passion, a special gift that every heart desires. It takes you over the moon, brings sunshine to your face with every heartbeat. Love is beautiful. It's a timeless passion, a special gift that every heart desires. It takes you over the moon, brings sunshine to your face with every heartbeat. Let's live, let's love, let's live a life we can remember. That can only be true love. Let's live, let's love, let's live a life we can remember. That can only be true love. Let's live, let's live a life we can remember. That can only be true love. Let's live a life we can remember. That can only be true love.
You were in between the sheets. Is that supposed to be a compliment?
Yes.
You know, I never thought that I'd be kissing an older lady like you. There's just something about you that makes these young girls feel like they don't know what they're doing.
There's something about you that the talk set my heart strong. Can I touch it? Huh?
You've touched it enough. Listen, I'm more than willing to explore this further, if you are.
Why do you find it interesting being with me?
Honestly, I'm not sure. I just feel this very deep connection with you.
You drive me crazy. Oh. Kiss me. Come get it. Come.
You're such a tease.
Come, quick, come. I'll let you get it right now. Come on.
Guy! Which one be guy? 3.5 million! Hey! See, boy, you go listen me that 300k now, what I tell you, remember? No Saturday Sabi need 300k. Bobo, see now, you see, don't they happy now? Huh? See how Fortune is smiling at you now.
Which one is Fortune is smiling at me? Do you know I literally had to sleep with this woman to get this money? So practically this is payment for sex.
And what does it mean anything? All these small girls where they carry come here, they sleep with. Do they pay you? They give you anything? Now you self they spend your small money on top of them. They don't buy you boxers or singlets. This one just transfer 3.5 million naira to you just for what? For sex. You know, carry your spam, go heaven, I beg. Straff them, hit them hard. Like, scatter the whole...
Wait, what are you even saying? Like, what are you saying? You're not even making sense. Can you even hear yourself?
See, you go flex me, oh. No, this one way they form, no me say you no go flex me, oh. You go flex me, oh. Ha! And that 300k you give me, oh.
Hey, Grace, what's up?
Hey, JC. I was just calling to check up on you. You seemed a little off.
Sorry, I just had a lot on my mind, but I'm fine now.
Right. Well, if you ever want to talk about anything, you know I'm here for you.
Thank you, I really appreciate that.
So, I was thinking about going out for a drink tonight. Do you want to come
That
along?
sounds good, but I think I have a better idea. Why don't I just come over and then we could just chill and watch a movie or something?
Sounds like fun. I can't wait. Okay.
Okay, I will see you then. All right, bye.
So you're going to see her? Anyway, just be her guy. Build that woman. But if he give you 3.5 million, if he give you 5 million, if he even give you 10 million, and besides, she don't get husband, she don't get kids. So what is the kind of money do? You get? So bill am and make I tell you, they owe me 2 flexing though. And that my 300k I will see collect am.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
You notice?
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes. I'm okay. Oh my God!
What's going on? What are you cooking? It smells so good. You know I could smell this all the way from upstairs.
Well, I was trying to make jollof right for us. I'm famished and I know you are too.
I am actually. I'm not even going to lie. No, it smells good.
Yeah.
Well, I know that I am not a great cook, but is there anything you want me to do?
Nothing. I'm practically done. Just waiting for it to just dry up. So just sit down and join me.
Okay. Well, I guess my company is just as good as cooking.
Oh, sure. Here we are.
Babe.
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Yeah, I wanted to ask.
Yeah.
You know the whole nosebleed thing? Are you okay? Is there anything that you're not telling me that I need to know?
No, I'm good. I'm good. Just some allergy. I'm good. Nothing to worry your head about, okay?
Are you sure? Has this happened before? Is it new?
No, I'm fine. I think it's some kind of allergy. I'll just go to the doctors and then just check it out, okay? Nothing to worry yourself about.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you say so.
I say so. Food will be ready soon.
Okay.
Okay.
Love is beautiful. It's a timeless passion, a special gift that every heart desires. It takes you over the moon, brings sunshine to your face with every heartbeat. Love is beautiful. It's a timeless passion, a special gift that every heart desires. It takes you over the moon, brings sunshine to your face with every heartbeat. Let's live, let's love, let's live a life we can remember. That can only be true love. Let's live, let's love, let's live a life we can remember. That can only be true love. Let's live, let's love, let's live a life we can remember. That can only be true love. Let's live, let's love, let's live a life we can remember. That can only be true love.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. All right? Yes, thank you. All right, baby. No, it had that's baby for my baby.
Wait, you're playing with me right now. There's no way.
No, I'm not playing. I got you a baby. Come on.
Are you being serious?
Yes, this is yours. I got a baby for my baby. Go ahead, come on. Go ahead.
You bought me a car?
That's your baby. Come on. I got a baby for my baby, yeah? It's yours. Just open it. Go ahead.
You get me a car.
It's yours. It's yours, right?
Oh my goodness.
It's yours. It's yours. Enter it started. It's yours. It's your name. Oh yes. It's yours. You can blow the horn.
Thank you so much. Oh!
Love is beautiful. It's a timeless passion, a special gift that every heart desires. It takes you over the moon, brings sunshine to your face with every heartbeat. beautiful. It's a timeless passion, a special gift that every heart desires. It takes you over the moon, brings sunshine to your face with every heart, with every heartbeat. Let's live, let's live, let's love, let's love, let's live a life we can remember. That's can only be true love. Let's live, let's live, let's love, let's love, let's live a life we can remember. That can only be true love. Let's live, let's live, let's love, let's love, let's live a life we can remember. That can only be true love. Let's live, let's live, let's love, let's love, let's live a life we can remember.
I missed you. Look at you.
Missed you so much.
I missed you much more, believe me, sweetheart. How was your trip, darling? I hope it wasn't so stressful.
Mommy, I'm just glad to be back home. The turbulence, it was a lot, but...
You know I have phobia for that. I'm glad, baby.
Yes, mommy.
So, once we get to the house, straight to the dining so you can eat mommy's food.
Yes, I would love to eat, but mommy, I need to freshen up first.
You've had burger enough. Time to eat mommy's food. It's been a while.
Mom, I've been craving your meals, honestly, but I need to freshen up.
No, that can wait. Come on, darling. That can wait. Eat my food first. That's what I want now.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
When we get home, we'll decide.
Oh, my darling.
I missed you, mommy.
It's too much more, my little mommy. Everywhere has changed, right? I know. You know you've stayed long. True. Now that you're back, what are your plans? Do you want to work as a business consultant or you want to own your own business?
Well, I think I want to do both. I really think it's important to have a balance. Yeah, by consulting, I can help businesses grow. And by opening my own business, I can apply what I learned from consulting into my business.
Wonderful. Super nice.
Thank you, Mommy.
So, what kind of business do you want to go into?
Something that provides consulting services to smaller businesses. I know that there's a huge demand for that in Nigeria. Something that has to do with like marketing or finance.
Wow. Wow. In that case, Gracie will be needing your help. Believe me, she has been struggling financially. I think she'll be needing your guidance.
Yeah. Oh, about the incident, right?
Yes.
I'll be more than glad to help her. She's my godmother, and if I
know.
don't help her, who will? It's just sad, honestly.
I feel for her. But now that you're back, we are glad.
I'll do my best, Mommy.
I trust you.
Surprise!
Come on, little baby. Come here. I'm so tired of you.
Auntie, you
I'm gonna tell you.
Oh my word, Steve. Sorry. I thought you were going to fall.
Look at you.
Yes,
Look at you.
look at me. Look at me.
Don't. Say your mom. Randy. My goodness. so happy to see you. Oh, come and see my No.
No?
Oh, look at my daughter. Oh, I've missed you.
I missed you too, Auntie.
But you know what? I didn't miss you too much because I know you were busy doing things that are amazing. We're so proud of you, darling.
Thank you, Auntie.
Enough. Enough of the compliment.
Aww.
I'm getting emotional. You want me to start crying?
No.
Alright, let's eat.
Okay.
As if you knew that I was famished.
I know.
You. I love your hair.
I love yours too.
Oh my God. Look at your titties.
Let's go eat.
American girl. You are glowing.
Let's go eat, Auntie.
Oh my God.
I wanted to pay.
I was famished.
I wanted to surprise you, that's why I didn't tell you.
No, that's it. This is a big one.
Thank you.
Alright, Gracie. This way, Gracie.
Okay.
You see your daughter?
I'm telling you, she's so big now. She's so big.
I know.
Oh, I can't believe you're so beautiful. I'm gonna take this.
It's all yours. It's all yours.
I know. So what are we having?
Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry. I've got to answer this call. Hello, sugar.
Mom? Is she seeing someone?
Well, according to her, it's a hurtful. And she also told me that it's a last bus stop. I'm happy for her too.
Finally.
You know she's crazy. I hope she.
Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, Gracie.
It was just an important call. And one of my business partners.
Business call?
Yeah.
Business?
Laura. What?
You what?
Laurie, please. Laura, So which one are we popping? Are we popping the champagne? Which one?
I really just want to say I'm sorry about everything that happened. I'm so happy that you're this optimistic.
I am excited because you are back and I'm happy to see you. So whatever is my issue, let's put it for another day.
Yeah.
Okay?
But
Let's
just
for the moment.
so you know, want you to know that I can always help with my business consulting skills. I can help you. But that's a topic for another day. Yeah.
Thank you so much. I'm so
Amazing.
grateful and I'm very happy to have you back. But you surprised me and that's not.
You're not full of surprises, so.
And I think I'm gonna have one of that chain. You know, I love them jewelry.
Oh,
I can't get enough.
Fine.
So what are we eating? I'm hungry.
fine. But I begged you this and you refused.
Excuse me.
Now you're godmother?
Yes.
Keep quiet.
Do you know how many times I speak to it all?
Please.
So, babe,
Hi.
what is it again? Are you sure you're fine?
Yeah, I'm fine. Say nothing.
Babe, seriously.
Oh, Jay, stop meddling. I said I'm fine. I'm good. I'm good. She already dressed. Where you going? Where are you going?
I'm going jogging. I wanted to know if you'd like to come with me.
Oh no, it's stressful.
Look, babe, there's nothing stressful about it. If anything, it will keep you fit and healthy.
I know. But why don't you go to the gym instead?
I don't want to go to the gym. I prefer to jog outdoors just right before the sunrise. Plus, it's a good way to explore the city and get some fresh air.
Oh, I know.
So, are you coming?
No, some other time, please, now. Are you sure, babe? It would improve your health.
Oh, I'm fine. I'm not going. I said no. Just go enjoy yourself.
You mentioned that your daughter came back.
Oh, not my daughter, but my goddaughter. Yes, she came back and I went to see them yesterday. The whole family. I mean, she was so all over the whole place. She was excited. I was happy. It was so much fun.
That's good to know. I'll be on my way now. I'm gonna go home from there and come back in the evening, or maybe tomorrow. I'll call you and keep you posted.
I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you too. I'll miss you too. Babe, are you sure?
I said I'm fine. I said I'm fine. Come on. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good, Jay. I'm good. Oh. Oh. Oh.
I am really sorry about everything that happened. It's a really difficult situation to be in, I know that. I'm so sorry, okay? Don't worry. It's fine, it's fine.
Thank you.
It's okay. How about we start by getting the details about what happened?
I had a warehouse filled with goods, full of goods. You know the kind of things I'd sell. Expensive. I was planning to sell them. And then looters went in, stole everything. No, I don't know. I don't know how I'm going to recover my losses.
I'm sorry, Auntie. I'm really sorry. Have you filed a police report yet?
Yes, I have. But how are they going to help me recover my losses? Can they help me?
It's a good start. You need to document everything that was stolen and provide evidence to these authorities. That can help them track down the goods and possibly the looters.
Okay. But are you sure the police can help me recover my losses? Can they recover my goods? Can they get the looters?
Auntie, it's a 50-50 thing. But if they can't, we have to look into other means. Why don't you hire a private investigator? Have you considered that?
No. Is that a good idea?
Yeah, it can be. They can gather evidence and track down these goods. They can also give you advice on how to go about the investigation.
That's a good idea. Brandy, don't call me pessimistic. What if they're not going to be able to recover my goods?
No, Auntie. Let's be positive. We cannot think negatively. Okay?
Okay.
But if unfortunately they're not able to recover your goods, you have to start thinking about rebuilding your business. You can get a loan or look for other means to finance this operation. But like I said, we have to stay positive. Okay?
Okay.
It's okay, Auntie.
Okay, thank you.
You're fine. It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you for being so helpful. Oh, I will look into all the options that you recommended.
It's okay.
I know how many millions
I understand.
everything I live on for.
It's okay.
Oh no.
It's okay, Auntie. It's okay.
No,
No, Auntie, we have to. Oh, Mom. You're back. Welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine, Mommy.
So, was your godmother here as agreed?
Yeah, she came.
So how was the meeting?
It went well. I suggested an idea and she said she was going to go with it. So let's just be hopeful.
That's great. I trust you.
Thank you, Mommy. I'm just glad I could help her.
You've always helped people. That's who you are, Brandy.
Oh, well, I learned from the best.
Really?
My sweet Mommy.
I love you.
I love you too, Mommy.
I need a glass of water. I'll be in the room.
Oh, sure. I'll get that for you.
Hey, are you okay? What's wrong?
I don't know. My leg hurts.
Do you need me to take you to a hospital or something?
I don't think it's that serious. I don't know.
Oh, it's probably cramping up.
Yeah, I think so. I was just joking and it happened.
I'm sorry. Just take it easy. Wear off. Just give it time. Do you live far from here?
A bit.
Okay, can you manage to get to that junction so I can maybe call you a cab?
Sure.
Yeah? Okay, let's just go. Let me grab this for you. Just take it easy, alright? Just try and put your weight on it. It'll wear off.
Oh, no, it's hurting.
I know. Just... Can you... You know what, just... Easy. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Easy. Just up ahead, okay? There's a leak. Easy. You'll be fine. It's just cramps, alright? It's nothing serious.
Mom? Mom? Yes, Mom.
How are you, sweetheart?
Okay.
I came to check how you're doing.
Oh, Mommy. I'm fine. It was just cramps. I'm okay now.
Sure.
I'm fine, Mommy.
Are you sure?
Yes. I thought you'll be sleeping by now.
Hold on. I promised you that I will come check on you before I go to bed. I want to make sure you're not running temperature.
I'm okay.
All right. I will retire to my room.
Please do.
But if there's anything, please just call me.
Mommy, I'm fine. I don't need anything.
All right, madam. Good night.
Good night, Mama. Love you.
Hi, baby. I'm calling to tell you that I miss you. And I was thinking of coming over so we can spend some time together.
Yeah, that sounds great. I'm down. So when exactly are you coming over?
I think Friday and Saturday and Sunday.
That works for me.
Oh, when you say those things, you make me. Yes, I can't wait.
Me too, Grace.
Bye-bye. No, I didn't hear the kiss. Kiss me, kiss me. Okay. Bye-bye. Oh, JC. Good news, guys. You won't believe it. The police found some of my stolen items.
Yes! I love that.
Yes, and I just said to come and share this with you. They found, some of the bags of clothes, jewelry. I can't even.
That's a good news.
I forgot some of the other things, but I just had to come share it with
That's
you.
a good news, believe me. I'm happy. I'm happy, sweetheart.
Thank you.
I'm happy.
Thank you.
That's it. Good.
Thank you. I am grateful. If it hadn't been for, Brandy, who was reminding me to call the police and the investigator, I don't know what I would have done.
Auntie, you have nothing to worry about. We are always here to help you whenever.
She's your daughter after all.
I know.
I'm happy.
Thank you.
I'm happy. I'm glad you shared this with us, believe me.
Yes, I really appreciate. I mean, you worked so hard with the investigator, with the police department. Come on. I am so grateful. Can you believe it? I'm so grateful.
Good news.
Thank you.
Hopefully you get all your items back.
I believe so. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
I need to apply my brain. I need to come up with a strategy for this one.
Oh my God. I almost peed in the car. I was just rushing. Oh. My goodness, and the traffic was horrible. You good? You've not kissed me today. Baby, what is it? Come now, come kiss me. What is it?
Grace, I don't want to have to burden you with my problems. It's just money stuff.
I understand. I understand that money can be a very sensitive topic. But you can always talk to me. We are lovers. We are to support each other. So talk to me.
I know that, but I don't want to have to ask you for money. But at this point, I'm in a fix.
You don't want to ask me for money. If you don't ask me for money, who would you ask me for money?
Babe, I'm being serious. My rent is due next month.
In that case, give me some sugar. Meanwhile, I want some sugar. Come on.
I'm being serious.
You don't want to give me some sugar?
Babe, Babe, it's hard to give some sugar when you're faced with a problem. Look, my rent is due next month.
Okay, what else is due? Is your electric bill due?
No.
You want to change your freezer?
No, it's my 3 younger siblings in the university. I have to pay their school fees and I don't have the money. I don't know what to do.
You don't know what to do, but you have me. Are you supposed to have a problem when you have me? I said, give me some sugar. You know, sugar is like fuel, you know, and it is fuel that makes the, car to move. When there's no, I said sugar. I said sugar. I didn't say you should lean on my shoulder. Give me some sugar. You know what I want. All right, more. On my neck. On my chest.
Come on.
Come on, give me some sugar. What's your problem? All right. Since you don't want to give me some sugar, so let me give you some sugar. Come here. Take this cloth on. Come here.
Come on. I'm being serious.
You're being serious. So you will not give me some sugar? That's not nice. You want to give me some sugar, you naughty thing.
Hey, wait, did you?
What? You want money? I'll give you money.
Wait, hold on. You just sent me 2 million naira.
Don't you want money?
This is way more than I even need.
You said you want money, so I gave you money.
Oh, babe, thank you so much. Thank you.
I don't want a hug. I don't want a hug. Come here.
Thank you so much for the other day.
Come on, you don't need to thank me. I'm just glad that I was there.
I'm very glad. Honestly, thank you.
You know, I just realized that I actually don't even know your name.
It's Brandy.
Ooh, Brandy, like the singer. Do you have the same voice? Because I'm a huge fan.
People mistake me for her, so
Wow, wow! I'm going to put that to a test one day.
Just joking.
Yeah.
What's yours?
Oh, I'm Jace.
Jace.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, it's good to meet you again, Brandy.
Same here.
So tell me, what do you do?
Nothing really for now. I just graduated from the University of Leeds in the UK.
Oh.
And I got home a few weeks ago.
Well, welcome back.
Thank you.
So what did you study in the UK?
I studied business consulting and management.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sounds very
I plan
posh.
on opening my own business someday.
That's good.
What about you?
Well, I'm actually working on a business plan right now. Yeah, going to venture into something very soon.
What type of business?
Well, I have to be honest, it's still in the beginning stages of the planning, but I've always had a thing for tech and health and fitness. So I'm trying to find a way to fuse both. I feel like there's a potential in that industry.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Well, I wish you all the best, Mr. Jace.
Thank you, Brandy.
You do know I could somehow help you with your planning.
You would?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Okay. That sounds very interesting. So what do you say, I don't know, maybe we could meet up over the weekend and talk about it? I could pick your business management brain.
Yeah, but it comes with a price though. I'm quite expensive.
I don't think I can afford you.
I'm just joking.
Wow.
That's not bad, sure. We can meet up.
Is it okay if I get your number so I can reach you? Just put it in here.
There you go.
Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna head that way.
Sure.
But I'll see you.
You take care.
All right. Bye. Careful now.
So how can I help you with your business?
Well, like I said earlier when we talked about it, I am trying to find a way to fuse tech and health and fitness because these are two areas that I'm really, really interested and passionate about. My challenge right now is just finding a way to merge both.
Um, who are your target audience?
But I would say everyone, but mostly young adults.
Great. Um, have you considered using social media to grow your business?
Yes, I have thought of using platforms like Instagram, Twitter, especially TikTok. 'Cause that's where my target audience are mostly active.
Yeah. Great. We'll have to open an account first things first, then ensure you create content that will help your audience reach you and also see what you can offer.
Sounds good. Sounds really good. I am very excited to get started.
We'll also have to create a content calendar that will help you stay consistent with posting.
Wow. Thank you very much for your help. You've been very helpful.
You're welcome. We have to schedule another meeting to check in on your progress. How about next month?
Next month? That is a whole 4 weeks. I'm looking to see you in 3 days.
Aren't you asking for too much?
Well, I don't think it's asking for too much, anything that has to do with you. I mean, with your pure heart and everything.
Sure, don't have your way around with words.
I do?
You do.
Um, Thank you. Thank you for everything. And it's really good to see you. I'm glad that we've got to spend time together. And you look great, by the way. Yes. I know I should have led with that, but I didn't want to like drift off of the reason why we're here. But yeah, you look amazing.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You don't look bad yourself too. Hi, Jace. Yeah, I'm good. You want to see me tomorrow? I hope there's no problem. Sure, we can see. Okay then, take care. Bye.
Brandy, I need to tell you something.
What is it?
So you know the business plan that I told you about, the one that I said I was passionate about?
Yeah.
So it was a lie.
A lie?
Yes. Look, when we spoke and you told me your discipline, I could instantly tell that you were very business oriented, and I wanted to get to know you still, so I had to come up with some sort of business connection that would maybe give us some common ground, and that was why.
Honesty means a lot to me, Jace. But I also appreciate you being brave enough to tell me the truth. It takes a lot of courage to admit your mistakes.
Thank you for understanding. And I'm really sorry for misleading you.
It's okay. We'll have to start afresh then. No more lies.
I would really like that. So tell me, how do I appease the goddess?
Okay. You will have to cook for me.
Cook for you?
Yes.
Just that. You're going to make it that easy.
Oh,
Listen,
wow.
I would have you know that cooking is one of my strongest selling points.
I don't believe. I do
You know
not
what they say,
believe
I
you.
can show you better than I can tell you.
Okay.
Just wait and see.
You will have to cook for me.
Okay, deal.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay, that's too easy. That's really easy.
Well, you said it. You're not
No,
taking
no,
it
no,
back.
no.
You're not taking. No. We're sticking to
wait,
that.
are you?
Yes, we're sticking to that.
What is all this now? What's going on? Why is Jesse ignoring my calls? Why is he not picking my calls? What is all this? What is all this? What's going on? What's going on? Pick the call now. JC, pick this call. JC, please. Pick this call. JC, pick the call.
Love is beautiful. It's a timeless passion, a special gift that every heart desires. It takes you over the moon, brings sunshine to your face with every heartbeat. Love is beautiful. It's a timeless passion, a special gift that every heart desires. It takes you over the moon, brings sunshine to your face with every heartbeat. Let's live, let's love, let's live a life we can remember. That can only be true love. Let's live. Let's love, let's love. Let's live a life we can remember. That can only be true love. Let's live, let's live, let's love, let's love. Let's live a life.
Are you okay?
I'm just a bit nervous.
You don't have to be nervous. And we don't have to do this.
I want to.
Let's live, let's live, let's love, let's love. Let's live a life we can remember. That can only be true love. Let's live, let's live, let's love.
What?
Let's live
I'm in
a
love.
life we can
In love with me. I know.
Of course I love you, Mommy, but there's someone else. I'm in love with someone, and yes, this is the first time I feel this certain about a guy.
A guy.
Yes.
You're in love.
Yes, Mom, I'm in love.
Look at you, my baby. You are in love.
Yes.
That's nice. That's a good news.
Thank you, Mom.
For the first time, my baby is in love, in love. Now tell me about this special person.
Well, his name is Jace. Jace Okorocha.
Okay.
He is amazing, Mom. He's thoughtful, caring, funny, and he makes me feel like I'm the most important person in this world.
Of course you are. Truly, you have found someone very special.
Yes, Mom.
Congratulations, my angel.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you.
I'm happy. So,
Well, I would love you to meet him.
sure, why not? He shouldn't touch my baby till after the wedding
my
night.
goodness, Mommy.
Oh, just shut up. I know what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Grace,
Yes, doctor.
your cancer is getting worse. You need to start chemotherapy.
So, doctor, you're trying to say that I'm going to be bedridden in this hospital because I need to start chemotherapy? No, that's not true. That's not true. That cannot be happening.
Sadly, Grace, listen, I understand how you feel, but we need to start treatment immediately. We need to start fighting this together.
Doctor,
Grace,
do you realize that I don't have a husband? I don't have a son. I cannot have cancer.
Grace, it's all
I
right.
reject it, doctor. I cannot have cancer.
It's okay.
No.
I understand how you feel completely.
No, I reject it. I don't have cancer.
It's okay, Grace.
No.
It's okay.
I don't have I don't have cancer. I don't have cancer. No. No.
I know this is hard to accept, but denying it will make it go away.
I don't have cancer.
Come on.
No, cancer. I reject it. I don't have cancer.
What's wrong with this guy now?
don't you pick your phone for crying out loud? What's all this? Goodness. Why wouldn't this guy just pick his phone? What is this? Oh! Can I be calling and this guy will not pick up his phone? What kind of rubbish is this? What time? What in goodness name is this? What is all this? Oh!
Look, Grace, there's no easy way to say this, but I feel like it's only right for me to be honest with you. This whole thing is not working out for me anymore. And it has absolutely nothing to do with you. I know how you feel about me. And I know where you see this going, but I just don't feel the same. My heart is not in this. And if I'm being honest, it has never been from the get-go. I just can't do this anymore. I can't keep lying to myself. And I can't keep leading you on. I know that I am not in the position right now, but hopefully in the future I can find a way to pay you back for everything that you've done for me, which I appreciate, by the way, much more than I can say.
Pay me back? You seen someone else? JC? Are you seeing someone else?
Look, Grace, it's not that. It's just I just can't do this anymore. I'm really sorry.
Jesse, you're not going. You can't leave me.
Grace, don't.
No! You cannot leave me. Do you understand? You know that I love you. You cannot leave me. Did you hear yourself? You want to pay me back? How much? How much can you possibly pay me back? Jesse, don't let me do something that will but regret. You go and sit down. Jesse, don't make me push you. Can you go and sit down?
Look, Grace,
Jesse, can you let go and sit down? Please.
Can we not do...
Jesse, I'm sorry. I have to... You're not going anywhere. You gotta sit down. You gotta sit down. You're not going. You can't leave me. You cannot leave me. Jesse, you have to sit down. You can't leave me. Listen, you want money? I'll give you money. What do you want? You want more money? Want to increase your monthly allowance?
I don't want anything.
You want to change your car? What do you want? Do you want to travel? You want us to go on holiday? Jesse, you cannot leave me. I've fallen in love with you. Do you understand? You're stuck with me. You're stuck with me, JC. And I'm stuck with you. You're the best thing that happened to me. I can't leave you, JC. Do you understand? I'm not going to leave you.
Guy, that woman was on mute. What the hell are you doing? She loved and supported you.
And so what? And so what? What happened? Eh? Bro, you know that I was never interested in this whole thing.
But you were interested in her money, wealth and cars, right? That what did they do? You know they come down and chop money?
Bro, you literally walked me down this path. I was never interested in this whole thing in the first place.
But I didn't see you rejecting the offer. I don't see how a full-blown adult like you will prefer a broke, sassy little bitch over a benevolent woman who wants nothing but love and attention
guess
from you.
What? She wants more than love. She wants the whole package. She wants everything. She wants a life together. She even wants marriage.
And so what? If you want to anchor, what to do? Maybe you made the marry old women abroad for green card.
Well, guess what? It's not my portion. I am not them. If that's what they want to do, good and fine, but that's not me. Bro, Brandy is the woman that I love and I want to spend the rest of my life with her, period.
So how do you intend to do that?
I'll simply tell her the truth.
Are you mad?
Hello, babe. Yeah, I'm fine. Listen, I need to tell you something.
Me too, babe. My mom wants to meet you.
Your mom wants to meet me?
Yes.
Do you think that she would like me?
Of course she will.
Look, I have to say I'm nervous. Meeting your mom for the first time.
Babe, you don't have to be.
Okay, fingers crossed, I guess.
You've got this.
Thank you, babe. I love you.
Love you too.
Can you just believe it? I am not happy. Laura, I'm not happy. I should calm down. How do you want me to calm down? My guy is giving me attitude. You know what? I told him, just to take some time off. And he's been ignoring me. He's not picking my call and he's not even calling me. I can't believe he will stay without talking to me. I can't breathe without him. Laura, I don't know what to do. I can't lose him. I love him. I love him. And I'll do anything to be with him. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always being there for me. Well, send me well to my goddaughter. Jay, why are you doing this? Jay.
Oh.
Thank you once again for having me in your beautiful home.
I'm glad you came today. Well, my daughter has told me a lot about you, believe me.
And she has told me a lot of good things about you as well. But
Really?
I must say I wasn't really expecting this level of hospitality. Thank you so much.
Thank you, you're welcome.
So this is for you.
Well, lunch will soon be ready. I'm waiting for her godmother to arrive. Okay? Please go on.
I don't even know where to start. I think I'll just start with the apple.
Okay. Good.
No, it's a big apple.
Go on, please.
Very juicy. It's very nice.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you,
We have cucumber, grapes, water.
I don't want to be too full because of the actual lunch.
I know. She will soon be here.
Maybe call her.
No, she will soon be here. She will soon be here.
She is here.
Oh, like I said, just put everything on hold, okay? I am at my goddaughter's place for her introduction.
Hi, Gracie.
JC?
Do you two know each other? Gracie.
Auntie, are you okay? Auntie. No, Gracie. Auntie. Gracie, what is it? Gracie.
Your problem is that you don't listen. You think you know it all, and yet you mess everything up. I've warned you, I told you to trade with caution. And you've lost grace, you've lost money. What is wrong with you? Why are you so stupid? Do you think you're the only handsome boy around? Women like this are hard to get. Guy, the fuck up.
Bro, can you just stop shouting and let me think?
Think! Now you won't go think with this your coconut head. All this is why they tell for this house, you need to listen. You have messed it up and now... Even if you say my guy, for those fools you slap, you go soon clear for your eyes. In fact, I'm tired of all this nonsense. Hey, guy, yeah, wait. Hi, wow.
I've told you. I've told you to stop crying. It's not your fault in any way. Nobody's fault. I didn't know it was the guy, she's been telling me about. God will bear me witness. I didn't know. And it's not your fault in any way. I'm even glad this whole thing came out now. I'm telling you. Hey. It's okay. It's okay. No. It's okay, please. It's okay. It's okay. All I want you to know is that what will be, will be. I even feel for Gracie, believe me. She told me that finally she has found love. Only for this to happen. Baby, it's not your fault. It's all right.
Just pick up. Please. Mommy, thank you for your patience. And I'm really sorry for ambushing you like this. I just knew that I couldn't come to the house because obviously Brandy is very upset with me, and I figured I'd wait around your neighborhood, and if I'm lucky, I'll catch you on your way to work. First of all, I'd like to say that I'm really, really sorry for everything. I know that you're also upset with me, and you're in your right to be. I am not proud of what I have done. It's just that I was in a tight situation and I felt it was my only way out. The truth is, fate brought me and your daughter together. And the moment I met her, I knew that that was where my heart belongs, because my heart was never in this whole thing in the first place. I love Brandy. I love her with every fiber of my being. And nothing will make me happier than to be with her. I just want to ask for your forgiveness. And maybe, just maybe, she may also be able to forgive me. I'm really sorry.
JC, I have forgiven you. Believe me. Because I didn't know you were the one my friend told me about. God is my witness, and I'm sure you didn't know I was Grace's friend too. So, I won't blame you that much. But I am not Brandy. Why don't you call Brandy on the phone, talk to her? I'm sure she will forgive you. She really loves you. She will forgive you. It's normal that she's angry, yes. But trust me, she will forgive you. And I will also help you talk to her. Is that okay?
That's more than I can ask for. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you so much.
It's all right.
How dare you, Brandy? Kissing my man?
Jesse, I can't believe this. Jesse, after all I've done for you. Jesse, I bought you a car, I give you money. I do everything that you want. I do for you what young ladies can't do for you, Jesse. You cheat on me with my own goddaughter, Jesse. Jesse, I'm talking to you. Jesse, I'm talking to you. What did I do? You're the only man that I've loved, Jesse. What style do you want that I didn't give to you? What did I do for you? I was all the woman.
What did the doctor say? Mom, what did the doctor say, right?
The doctor confirmed that your godmother has cancer. And it has eaten her deep. Why, Gracie? You are not a good friend, though. Believe me. What gave you the right to keep this away from me? I know you can hear me. The God I serve will still hold you. But my question is, what gave you the right to forsake on me and you hid it away from me? And what are friends for? Did you not tell me that we'll be there for each other through thick and thin? Have you asked yourself, if you die, what will become of your goddaughter? What? No! Oh, no! No! deserve to die. I will fight cancer. I will fight you to the last. You will never take Gracie away. You will not. Oh, God. What a wicked word. The doctor confirmed that your godmother has cancer, and it has eaten her deep. you had cancer. Why would you allow it to deteriorate to this level?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Laura. I didn't want to burden you with my pain. I didn't want you to worry. I didn't believe it. I lived in denial. I thought I could handle it on my own.
Handle it on your own. I thought you called me your best friend. Now what are friends for? I thought good friends share things both in good and bad times.
I'm sorry.
You hurt me badly.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I should have trusted more in our friendship. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Laura.
You don't have strength that much to cry, please. It's okay. It's alright.
I'm sorry. Forgive me.
Long time ago, I have. You're going to be fine. I promise.
Yeah, we're going to go and buy gold. You buy me ice cream. Yeah, I'm going to steal your ice cream.
You will steal everything.
I'll take that wig.
And I will take your gold. Alright. You don't have strength.
Okay.
It's okay.
You're gonna go call Brandy and JC?
I will call your goddaughter for you. It's alright. Just give me a smile. You look beautiful.
Great.
It's alright.
Okay.
Let me call your goddaughter. She will not allow you to cry.
Brandy. You know, I've always loved you. And I will always love you. I loved you from the first time I set my eyes on you. When you love someone, you do anything for them. You're my child, and you know I love you. Life is it's understanding when you are losing a battle. And I cannot deny you happiness and joy. JC, you had better take care of her. I give you both my blessing. I know you didn't love me, but I loved you.
I want you to love her and take care of her. Come on. Love you. I love you. Take care of my child for me. Come, my child.
Me too.
Come, my child. I love you. No. Come. It's okay. No. I'm sure you don't want me to cry as I go. No, stop it. I know. I want to see you smiling. Stop it. I want you to smile for Auntie Gracie. Give me your hand. Let's do the way we used to play. It's brandy.
All right, Gracie. It's okay. It's okay. You don't have that strength. It's okay.
Love is beautiful. It's a timeless passion, a special gift that every heart desires. It takes you over the moon, brings sunshine to your face with every heartbeat. Love is beautiful. It's a timeless passion, a special gift that every heart desires. It takes you over the moon, brings sunshine to your face with every heartbeat. Let's live a life we can remember. That can only be true love. Let's live a life we can remember. That can only be true love. Let's live a life we can remember. That can only be true love. Let's live a life we can remember. That can only be true.